Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Let me go ahead and turn the fan down because I don't want the air on at this moment. It's not that hot. I'm pretty sure it's hot outside, but it's not hot where I am at the moment. So we talked about this. You seen that I was in the negative, and let me go ahead and go over here. So I did my planning and we last stopped off right here. So let's talk about all of this and see where we're going to get all of that money from because I don't have it. So we stopped off here, and Thursday the 6th was Walmart. I got toilet paper. I bought some jeans, but I took them back. I thought I was smaller, but the jeans were a little too tight, so I took them back, got my $24.22 back. I did pay with my Leader's credit card. Now, remind you that we are already in the negative, so all of this is negative. So, on the 7th, I got Jasmine some things that she needed. I also spent $26.33 for my brother-in-law's birthday. So the next day on the 8th, this is Travis expense, $13.79, but you'll see everything added up as all together. So Uber $13.79, and this is when I was out of town as well. $30.31 for BP, McDonald's $11.38, and Uncork $13.16. And what's in brown? What is this? I can't see, y'all. What is that? MON $26. This is for gas. Oh, that's Storns. It's a gas station. So I got that, and let me turn this on. Okay, that's much better and I can see. So right here it just said to cancel Peacock, which I did. Peacock does have this deal going on until the last day of June. It's for a whole year for $19.99. So I canceled my old, switched my account to a new email address, paid the rest for Peacock for a year. Then we have Dollar Tree for $5.37. I normally wash clothes when I'm out of town, but my detergent was here at home, so I had to buy some more. So I just grabbed like 2 bottles from Dollar Tree because I didn't have much clothes to wash. We have an expense for $7.08 from the tobacco store. We got rainbows for $15.29. We have Walmart for $55.48, Dodges for $10.58. Y'all, tell me why my mom talked me into taking her friend to the hospital. See, I was already headed where her friends stay, like not to her friend's house, but heading in that city, and she wanted me to take her friend to the hospital, so I did, and the lady thought I was, supposed to stay and wait on her. Anywho, I ended up staying and waiting on her. I did not go to the movies nor to dinner that day that I was supposed to, but I ended up going the next day, so I guess that's good. So I ended up going to Dodge's. I grabbed some chicken. I got some gas for $38. Ended up going to Walmart way before that. Spent $10.87. The next day we have YouTube for Chris's subscription that was paid, and it just said I would owe $9.04, which I am going to pay with points. I did send Dee $5. Check out her channel. It's DEE Bankroll. Went to Dodge's the next day after the movies. We did spend $43.50. Travis is going to give me that money back. For Peacock, remember I was just talking about it, it was $21.89. The next day, we have Speedway, which I did $10 for gas and got snacks and things. For Discover, At least I think that's for Discover. I spent $10.20. I did pay my retina bill in full. Remember, I did save or put aside $160, and I put the rest on my credit card, which will be due next month or the month after. And today is the 12th. Travis did get an Uber, $9.99, and that's all we have so far. And this is what the month of May looks like. So what I did was, if I can find it, here it is. So I'm going to, don't pay attention to this. So this is what I written out, all of this and all of this. But let's see if it'll show properly. So I went through, added up all the income from the 3 paychecks, took out all the offerings. So the income was $5,005.58. Offering, I did pay $537.58. Total for extra was $129. My budget income ended up being $597. And all the bills equaled up to $2,975. For cash envelopes, I did use $909. The money that was left over was $185. For over budget, I did go over budget by $594.50, and I did pay $312. That means that I was actually over budget $900 and some dollars, but that's for the entire month of May, and probably maybe from last month too, but I don't know. We'll get it taken care of. I was able to save, which I'm shocked about. So altogether, I did save $516. Some went to Mother's Day, some went to savings. So that's a good thing. And I written everything out on this piece of paper here to kind of keep up with everything. So I am going to put this in the back of my planner. And if we go to the back, hang on. Here it is. So this is May 3rd paycheck usage. So this is the breakdown where all the money that I owe goes to. So Leaders Credit Union, I owe $471.91. I did pay $312. That means I will only owe them $159.91. For Capital One, I owe them $9.04, which I am going to pay this bill with points. Navy Federal, it would have been a little smaller amount, but I did go ahead and pay my full retina bill. And this just tells me where my last expense, where I stopped at. For Discover, I owe them $74.58. So altogether, somehow I was over $915.54, and the total after paying the $312 were $594.50. Like I said, I don't know or think that's for the entire month of May. I believe, you know, some of the money is from April, but that's all I have for you all. That's what I wanted to show you all, and I can't believe that I was able to save that amount of cash. Let me go over here. Let's see if we can, well, this is June, so let me go back. And I need to update this as well on the other piece of paper that I showed you all. So, want to save a minimum of $300. I did that. I did put the check mark by it, and I did put a check mark by everything else. Mother's Day was a success. My niece's graduation was a success. Retina appointment went well. Have to go back in September, so I need to try to save, I would say, a minimum of $300 for that bill. And that's a wrap for May, even though I did go over. What I probably do is I'll have to see where I can get the money from, but that's it. This is a lot of spending. And now, I mean, you already seen this, so I just need to do my paycheck for the first part of June. And let's see how that goes. I'm hoping, since everything has settled down since my driving out of town, going to my uncle's funeral, hopefully everything has settled down now. And I'm able to get everything back in order how it used to be, because this right here, that's a lot of spending for me. Like, look at that. I haven't did that in a long time. So that's it. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out the link that I have for the Savings Challenge collaboration for Cassie J Budgets and Blog. Don't forget to check out everyone's channel. I will have them linked below. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye.